Hello everyone, in the today's video we will discuss about 3 to 8 line decoder. For 3 to 8 line decoder there are 3 inputs represented by A, B and C, and there are 8 possible outputs lines are there which are represented by Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 and up to Y7. Here is one enable bit. That enable pin will have two values 0 and 1. When enable pin is set to 0, the decoder is disabled. For that, no output will be shown at the output side. That means all the outputs are going to shown as 0 even if we apply the input combinations. When enable bit is set to 1, the decoder is going to be work normally. And for the 3 inputs applied, total 8 number of possible outputs are there. So among these 8 number of possible outputs, any one of the output is going to be active at a time based on the combinations of inputs. This is the block diagram of 3:8 line decoder. Let us discuss about the truth table of 3:8 line decoder. In this we will have one enable pin. The 3 inputs are there, capital A, B and C, and remaining are 8 number of outputs, that is from Y7 to Y0. So at the initial case, when enable bit is 0, irrespective of the input signals, input lines we are applying, all the outputs will be 0. The all outputs are 0 since the enable pin is 0. Even if we apply the inputs, the outputs will be shown as 0. The next one is when enable pin is set to 1. In this mode, we will have total 8 number of possible input combinations. Because we will have 3 inputs here, A, B and C, there will be 2 power 3, that is equal to 8 number of possible input combinations, which are 000, 001, 010, next one 011. This enable bit will be 1 only. Next 011, after that 100, next 101, 110, 111. From 0 to 7, total 8 number of possible input combinations are there for 3 inputs A, B, C. This is 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. Now for the first combination of inputs, that is 000, Y0 is going to be activated. The Y0 is going to be activated and remaining outputs will be 0 only. When the input combination 001, in that case only Y1 is going to be activated and remaining values will be 0. For the next combination 010, Y2 is going to be activated. Remaining outputs lines will be 0 only. The next combination is 011. 011, in this case Y3 is going to be set. Y3 is set to be activated and remaining output lines will be 0. Next one is input combination 100. In this 100, Y4 is going to be activated. The remaining output lines will be 0 only. The next combination of input is 101. In this 101, Wi-Fi is going to be activated and remaining output lines will be 0. The next input combination is 110. In that, Y6 is going to be activated and remaining output lines will be 0. For the last input combination 111, Y7 is going to be activated and remaining output lines will be 0 only. From this truth table, what we have understood here is among the 8 number of possible output combinations, output lines, we will get only one of the 8 possible outputs is going to be activated based on the input combinations. So here total we will have 8 number of output lines. For that, let us draw the logic diagram of 3:8 line decoder. For the 3:8 line decoder, I have taken capital A. This is the line in which capital A is going to be there, and I have connected one inverter. After this inverter, a complement of A is going to be appeared here. The next one is B. When I connect the inverter, here is on this line B bar is going to be appeared. Next one is C. For the C, I have connected one inverter. On this line, C bar is going to be there. Next, I have one enable pin, that is 1. As in the truth table, we will have total 8 number of output lines. We have used 8 number of AND gates because we will have 8 minterms in this truth table. For each minterm, we have used one AND gate. For the first column, that is for the first column Y7, let us take the first input combinations. Let us take the first input combination, that is 000. For the 000, Y0 is going to be activated, remaining all the output lines are 0. So let us use the first AND gate for the first minterm. In that, the variables are A bar. Next one is second input is B bar. Third input is C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar are the 3 inputs for the first AND gate. And the fourth input is a enable pin, that is enable pin is going to be connected. Finally, here this is Y0. Y0 is equal to complement of A bar, A complement of A, complement of B and complement of C. That is Y0 is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. That is the first minterm. Next case is 0, 1, 0. Here in this I am connected A bar, that is 0. And next one is B bar. And next one is C. As the second combination is 001. And the fourth input is enable pin. For this, Y1 is going to be activated. For that, minterm is A bar, B bar, C. Next, for the third minterm, let us take the third AND gate. For this third AND gate, first input is A bar. Next one is B. Next one is C bar. And the fourth input is enable pin. Here Y2 is going to be activated. For that, A bar, B, C bar. Next, for the fourth minterm, fourth AND gate is there. For that, Y3 is going to be activated. Here first input is A bar. Next input is B. Next input is C. And fourth input is enable pin. So Y3 is equal to A bar, BC. That means 0, 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 0. Next one 0, 0, 1. This one is 000. For the fourth minterm, the Y4 is going to be activated. First input is A. Next one is B bar. B bar is this one. Next one is C bar. And the fourth input is one enable pin. So Y4 is equal to A, B bar, C bar. That means 100. Next, fifth combination is, for the fifth combination, Wi-Fi is going to be activated. Here the input combinations are A. I have connected A here. Next one is B bar. Next one is C. And fourth input is enable pin. So Wi-Fi is equal to A, B bar, C. That is 101. Next, for the next input combinations, this is the AND gate we are using. On that, we are having the Y6 activated. For the Y6, the first input is A. Next input is B. And third input is C bar. Fourth input is enable pin. So Y6 is going to be activated for the input combinations A, B, C bar. That means 110. For the last minterm, Y7 is going to be activated. For that, the three inputs are, one is A, next one is B, third input is C, and fourth input is enable pin. Y7 is equal to A, B, C. That means 111. So like this, we are going to design the logic diagram of 3:8 line decoder. Thank you.